Welcome back. In the last lecture, we talked about Windows Defender, which is a default antivirus software for Windows operating system. Right now, let's mention the same thing for macOS. macOS includes built-in antivirus technology called XProtect for the signature-based detection of malware, and this system uses Yara signatures. This XProtect tool is something that macOS regularly updates, and it does it automatically. And you can check whether you have XProtect installed and when it was last updated right here. You want to click on the Apple icon, click on About this Mac, navigate to the System Preferences or System Report, and right here you want to go down to Installations, right here. If you scroll through this menu right here, you should get to the XProtect tool. If I scroll all the way down, here it is, XProtect plist config data. And we can see that the last update was on 5th of February 2022. If you want to use terminal to navigate the XProtect files, you can just simply type locate XProtect. It will give a bunch of outputs back. And if you want to see different types of malware that this tool can detect, you can go to Library, Apple, then System, Library once again, Core Services, Core Types, .bundle, and you will notice it's a little bit of a longer path, but nonetheless, it should be the same path for you. Then Contents, and then Resources. And in these resources, if we type ls, we should see xprotect.plist. And if you want to see what is inside of it, you can simply nano XProtect. I didn't complete the name. .xprotect.plist. And here you can see the content of the XProtect. Now you can scroll all the way down and you will see different names such as this one. And these are just the names of the malware that this tool can detect. Down here we also have OS X, Particle Smasher. And as long as you go down, you will be able to see different malwares that this tool protects you from. Once again, OS X Hidden Lotus.a, another malware, and this is simply the tool that is protecting you from malware on macOS. You should all have it pre-installed, and you can access its files and check what's inside with the help of your terminal. We can also see the different signatures, and as soon as this tool detects that signature, it will automatically delete that file and block it from running. Now, another tool that you have when it comes to malware is MRT. And MRT is simply malware removal tool that also comes pre-installed on macOS. It automatically runs every time you start your machine, and you can also take a look at it by going to this installations menu. And somewhere around here, you should also see MRT. Here it is, MRT config data. And it also received an update on 5th of February 2022. These two tools will help you prevent any malware infection on your macOS system. Besides that, what you also need to check is whether you're performing updates regularly. And you can do that by going on the Apple icon, clicking About this Mac, and click on Software Update. It will load for a couple of seconds and it will check whether all updates are already installed. If they are, you also want to go to the Advanced and make sure that Install System Data Files and Security Updates is checked. You can also check the other things, but this one is the most important one. And that would pretty much be about it when it comes to macOS default security. Nonetheless, let's move on to the next lecture where we'll talk about different antivirus softwares that you can install to enhance your security even more.